Nhà mình thì không chụp được.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
By the way, my name is Big. Nice to meet you.
My name is Nghĩa. Nice to meet you too.
May I ask you some personal questions?
Sure, go ahead.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like surfing the internet in my free time.
Surfing the internet?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you usually surf the internet?
Yes, I do. I do it very often.
How often do you surf the internet?
Every day. I surf the internet every day.
Every day?
Yes.
What time do you usually surf the internet?
At 9 o'clock. I usually surf the internet at 9 o'clock in the evening.
At 9 o'clock in the evening?
Yes.
Yes. How long does it take you to surf the internet each day?
About an hour. It takes me about an hour to surf the internet each day.
About an hour?
Yes.
Yes. How do you usually surf the internet?
On my laptop. I usually surf the internet on my laptop.
On your laptop?
Yes.
Yes. Where do you usually surf the internet?
In my room. I usually surf the internet in my room.
In your room?
Yes.
When do you usually surf the internet?
Whenever I'm free. I usually surf the internet whenever I'm free.
Whenever you're free?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of websites do you like best?
Informational websites. I like informational websites the best.
Informational websites?
Yes.
Yes. Which websites do you visit the most often?
Google.com and Facebook.com. I visit Google.com and Facebook.com the most often.
Google.com and Facebook.com?
Yes.
Yes. What do you usually do when you surf the internet?
Find information. I usually find information when I surf the internet.
Find information?
Yes.
Yes. Do you usually play games on the internet?
No, I never play games on the internet.
Do you usually chat with my friends on the internet?
Yes.
Yes. Do you think that the internet is not good for the youth in Vietnam?
Yes, I do. I think that the internet is not good for youth in Vietnam.
Why do you think that the internet is not good for the youth in Vietnam?
Because it makes them addicted to online games in Facebook and is useless for their improvement.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you later.
See you later.